Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and today we're going to have a giveaway. I'm so excited about this. Now, I showed you how to make a step card the other day, and we used this adorable monkey and these papers from the Miss Kate Cuttables Zoo Fun paper and die cut set. And Miss Kate has given me 2 sets to give away. So all you have to do, guys, is leave me a comment below this video on my blog and YouTube, but please don't comment in both places. We want to keep this fair and give everybody a chance. So either comment on YouTube or comment on my blog, but don't do both, okay? And that way everybody will have a better chance, because I'm going to give away 1 set on YouTube and 1 set on my blog. So, comment and tell me what kind of card you'd like to see me do. Like a birthday card, a get well card, a thank you card, just whatever comes to mind. Just go ahead and tell me if you'd like to see me do a certain type of card. And I'm going to use random.org to pick a winner from my blog and a winner from YouTube. And these sets are so cute, guys. You're just going to love them. Now, this is April the 5th. You can go ahead and start commenting. Please, only on my blog and only on YouTube. One or the other, but not both. And I'll give you until April the 7th, which is Sunday night at midnight Eastern Time, to get your comments in. And then I will pick a winner from my blog and a winner from YouTube, and I'll announce the 2 winners on Tuesday, April the 9th. And then I'll get these in the mail to the winners. And you can start having some fun with your Miss Kate Cuttables paper and die cut set. These are so cute. Now I'm going to leave you a link right below this video so you can go over and check out all these sets on Amazon. Miss Kate has got you covered, guys. She's got paper and die cut sets for birthdays, Christmas, summer, fall, winter, mermaids, pirates, you name it. She's got it. So be sure and go over and check them out. And don't forget now, leave me a comment either on my blog, which is cardstv.blogspot.com, or here on my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, ready, set, comment. And thanks for coming by today. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.